There's George. Yawning. And what else? Is he going to yawn some more? Surely, George, you have more expressions than just one. George. Oh, George, you're really quiet right now. Let's see if we can see Nipper. We'll just scan around and take a look here. There's the fern stands and everything else on the front doormat.
Oh, smile.
And
smile.
there
You missed it, George. A
is
big smile.
the tiny little
George, you
Nipper
missed the
dog.
smile.
Well, yeah, here there's a smile, so we'll go on over here.
No, now it's a cry.
Floor.
Now it's become a cry.
There's Terry's blanket, and here's the little boy with a terrible grimace.
It wasn't a smile. You missed
Poor
it.
little baby boy. Oh, goodness gracious. What's the matter with you, George?
Well, he needs to eat, so you should turn that off.
There. Whoa.